So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Reddit account. So let's begin the video. So first of all, open Reddit in your smartphone. Here in the bottom you can see don't have an account, sign up. Click on sign up, and here you can see ways option to sign up for Reddit. You can continue with phone number or with Google or with email. We are continuing with Google. Here choose your Google account. After choosing your Google account, here it will be asked to add a username. It's showing a black screen to you because my screen recorder has blocked it due to some privacy protection. But here you have to just add your username. After adding your username, you have to click next. But remember one thing, while giving your username, don't use your actual name as your username. And after setting your username, click on next, and there here you'll be able to ask about your gender. You can choose it or you can just skip it too. Let me choose it. And after that you have to select your interest, and here you have to select your interest for your home feed, and you have to at least select one interest, or you can also select more than one too. After selecting, click on continue, and here you can see your Reddit account has been successfully created. So that's how you can create a Reddit account. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.